Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. And this is our Malabar spinach. Been growing this Malabar spinach for about 3 months now. And it's grown to be about 16 feet in length. And it provided a lot of food for me and my family. We grew them in these torpedo pots. Small planters. We have different sized planters. All you do is drop your seeds in and your plants in, and it grows your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. It does it for you. It does a good job of it. Turn a knob. It waters everything for you. You don't need to water or do anything else. And here we have, I think about 11 pounds of food. 11 pounds of food. From Malabar spinach. 11 pounds of spinach growing in that small torpedo pot. Dude, torpedo pot is no joke. It grows your food. Now, for those who are spinach, people who love spinach, this is a great opportunity for you to pig out and have a great time eating your spinach. This spinach is long, and it's tall, and it's beautiful, and it's well webbed together, and it's food. I like the Malabar spinach because it has like an ochre type of taste to it. And it creates volume and fills it out. For the tougher big parts right here, I'll cut them up and use them, drop them in my soup to deliver nutrition into my soup, even though that they're not totally edible. They're like, for instance, bamboo or something like that. You just drop it for flavor and stuff like that. But the actual leaves themselves are delicious, and the flowers and the berries are delicious also. We love to eat them as snacks. Fry them up, a little bit of olive oil, and it tastes so good. My torpedo pot grew my food, guys, and I hope you are able to enjoy the growth that the torpedo pot is bringing into your life. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we grow food, and we grow lots of it, so that you and your family will never run out of food. You will never have a problem with food again in your life with a torpedo pot. These planters are designed to last you 5 years. Don't touch them. Don't move them. Just let them run. Their job is to constantly produce food all of the time. All you do is walk in, you drop your seeds in a planter, and you walk away for the rest of the year, and it grows perfect food. The problem is that it grows food so perfect. There's nothing else that I've seen of any other growing system in the world that I can compare to the quality of food that you're getting from your torpedo pot. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. I love my job. I'll talk to you guys later. Well, food is not an issue. It's greed. It's absolutely beautiful. Wow, it's beautiful.